We're to find pocket mode, or also known as mistouch prevention, and this is for the OnePlus phones with Android 16, Oxygen OS 16. So let's go ahead and get started. With the latest update on your OnePlus phone, you can use the quick access and tap on the settings right here. Now, the best way to find this feature is typing in the words mistouch prevention. And as you start to type it in, there is only one suggestion that should appear, and it'll say pocket mistouch prevention. You can also type all that to find it. It is part of the accessibility settings, so you can go down the list and find accessibility. As you tap on it one time, it'll flash where to go next. And this is usually turned on by default, but for those of you who don't know what this does, if your phone is in a lock screen mode, it's either in your pocket, in a bag, in your purse, and it has been accidentally touching the sensor area to make it think as if you're trying to unlock it. Usually with some phones, and OnePlus is one of them, if you attempt to unlock a phone many times and it fails many times, it can most likely either reset itself or enter into this lock mode, which you have to put in your PIN or password as quick as possible before it resets itself. And if you want to avoid that, because you might not know it's doing that, I would recommend keeping this settings on. So hey, like and sub.